My favorite class is probably the robotics one. It's been one of the more hands-on.
That's awesome. That is really cool. I did ATR 282, which is Introduction to Robotics, and that was some of the most fun I've had with engineering devices.
I think a person who is coming out of high school and wants a position like this in a technical field, some of the requirements I feel is good intercommunication skills, good soft skills, because you're dealing with not just the machines, you're dealing with people. You know, you have an issue with somebody comes up to you and says, I have a problem with this piece of equipment. You want to be able to understand what they're saying, ask the right questions, and have really a mechanical sense, have a passion for this position.
There are a lot of better paying jobs available with a technical degree or a certificate from the community college here. And once I realized that and kind of rededicated myself into school, it hadn't really been as big of an issue as high school. The workload is fantastic. I'm more energized to do it. Like, I'm more engaged and I enjoy what I'm doing more so as far as the work goes than I did just as like a standard program in high school. This is something that I chose and something that I'm interested in.
It's hands-on stuff, very hands-on. You do a lot of hands-on work. You learn the concepts behind everything you do, and then you put it to work.
The technicians that work on the machines are mainly for our maintenance group and do a lot of the programming, our first shift employees. We have technicians on the off shifts who can fix certain things or repair certain things as machines go down. They're also school or trained in programming of robots.
It doesn't matter how much automation you have, you can't make a robot fix itself. They say robots are taking their jobs, but it's actually creating more skilled jobs. You need someone who knows how to program it. You need someone who knows how to fix it if something goes wrong. You need someone who knows how to install it. You need someone who knows how to work with the robots, because if the robot breaks down, the robot can't do anything about it.
Students are tremendously valuable because they have certifications, they have specific trainings, they know the basics, and they can be groomed when they enter the workforce.
So there's a huge benefit for someone who has gone through the training in the Mechatronics program or any robotics training, really get a good insight of what it's involved. To take someone off the street and to have them perform some of these tasks, I think could be, first of all, it's going to take a lot of training from our end at Bemis Manufacturing, but also, are they going to get to that point where they understand it? We've already have a person that's trained, has gone through the college, that's fully equipped. They understand exactly what they're getting into and can apply that right away.
Coming to this community college really broadens your horizon as far as what jobs you're going to be able to get, and especially in this area. The electrical field, the engineering field here at this school is more tailored to the jobs that are available and the jobs that are going to be coming available.
At the community college, towards the end of your semesters, you do work-based learning. You go into work with these places around, where you live, and you get well-paying jobs right out of the school. If you go to a four-year university, that's not guaranteed. And if you do get a job, you're going to be paying a lot of what you make back to your debt.